I'm going to make the assumption because we have an adult group here that you guys are more informed than our kid groups. So I'm just going to kind of jump right into it. And if there's stuff that you're not familiar with, just let me know and I'll try to fill in. But essentially, I'm going to make the assumption you guys are.
Well, there you go. Perfect fit.
It's not interested in astrobiology, so you never know.
I know, nowadays for you especially.
I kind of became our unofficial first line as the weeks went on. We got better at it. Military spacecraft, tracked from here. This building is a direct result of Kennedy's declaration to go to the moon. So we were completed in 1965. I want to say this building opened. Going on, ape shit in. Not that it's worth it. I can't say that around the third day. But you'll notice there's nobody here today, so like, why do we get to be here, right? The thing is with our missions, because our spacecraft are robotic, it's sort of a different procedure than you would say with a human mission. So you guys have all seen, presumably, Mission Control in Houston, Texas, right? So it looks, something like this. But they're staffed down there 24 hours a day with something on the order of like 20 people. Probably within
It's
the volume of data. So this is the spacecraft we launched just the other day called Osiris Rex. You guys familiar with that? That's the one. It's not a massive JPL mission. They're creating a lot of traffic for it. That's going to actually save me. Actually, drive by this. You're literally going to drive by this comet, scrape an arm in it, gather some stuff, and fly back. Yeah, so that's cool. So we're getting a little data from that. So that's kind of cool. So that's what that shows you there. Kind of fun. And then this here, you all know what this is, I'm sure. This one. This is an actual size model of Curiosity. So having seen the other models in the museum, you can see what a huge step up this was for us. We went from 30 pounds with Pathfinder Sojourner to about 385 for the twin. We have machine shops and places where we can fabricate the parts, of course. We generally fabricate about 20 to 30% of the spacecraft. And so what happens is the missions present their needs to the fabrication shop here, like everything they need. And then they decide what they should do and what they can farm out. So all the mission critical stuff we usually try to do in-house. All the really difficult parts, the stuff that has really high tolerances we'll do in-house. And then whatever we can farm out, we can. So, as big as this place is, some of these timelines are pretty impossible to meet. So you need the help where you can get it. So, but eventually, once all those parts come in, you need some place to put the thing together. So that's what this room is all about. This is where all the final assembly and testing takes place. So, all the batteries